Communications and media companies are at a turning point. Customers expect more, regulations are tightening, and innovation is speeding ahead. Our Voice of Our Clients research, based on interviews with 93 industry executives, shows transformation is shaping the path forward. Technology acceleration leads as the top trend, cited by over 80%. The industry is changing faster than ever, but nearly 2/3 of executives cite that their organization isn't agile enough to keep up with digital transformation. And almost 70% are highly concerned about the impact of growing regulatory requirements on their business. Our insights reveal 4 critical shifts shaping the industry. Driving digital transformation through AI and automation is cited by more than 40% of executives as the industry moves from experimentation to real action. Communications leaders are using AI to reduce costs and streamline operations, while media leaders focus on AI-powered personalization and content engagement. We also see that business models are being reinvented. In communications, about 1/3 are moving toward value-added services, like smart home solutions, network security, and bundling beyond bandwidth. Meanwhile, media organizations are adjusting content distribution strategies to match changing consumption habits. Cost and workforce constraints aren't new, but they continue to persist. Budget pressures remain the top concern, especially in communications. More than 70% of executives cite knowledge loss from retirements and talent shortages as their biggest transformation barrier. Legacy systems and digital skill gaps slow strategy execution, particularly for companies early in their transformation journeys, significantly limiting ROI from digitization. Another key trend is how data governance and regulation are driving infrastructure strategies. Communications executives are reassessing cloud strategies in response to growing data sovereignty requirements. Across both sectors, digital leaders are aligning AI, customer experience, and modernization to drive results at scale, while those who are building or launching their digital strategies are still closing gaps. Overall, more than 70% of executives identify these areas as top digital investment priorities.
For customer-centric transformation, start with shared goals. When IT and business teams co-own customer outcomes, alignment follows, driven from the top. However, less than half of the communication and media executives believe that their IT and business are strongly aligned. A challenge that requires attention, I think. Agile governance, co-creation, and clear KPIs or OKRs help building trust and momentum. If everybody sees technology as a business enabler and not as a silo, then the mindset changes everything.
A leading US telecom provider needed to accelerate AI transformation while ensuring every investment delivered measurable returns. We established a project management office that enabled rapid AI selection and due diligence. A 10-day assessment was designed, using a fail-fast approach to quickly identify Gen AI projects worth funding. Certified product owners, managers, and Scrum Masters managed implementation and guided the client's transition to the SAFe framework, ensuring outcomes matched expectations. The impact was clear: 57% ROI in year 1, $470 million returned on a $300 million investment with ongoing savings. A scalable model to evaluate AI initiatives based on true cost, expected value, responsible AI principles, and data governance. This engagement shows how structure, speed, and governance drives sustainable value-led AI at scale.
Success here comes from striking the right balance, reducing cost on one side while investing in customer experience and in innovation. The most effective approach, in AI perspective, is start small. Launch quick pilots or MVPs with clear success metrics, outcome-based, then scale with a strong data strategy and governance in place. Almost 50% of the telecommunication executives identified AI as a key factor for improving customer service, particularly through AI-powered chatbots, hotline assistants, and behavior analysis. Navigating this shift requires a strong partnership approach. For example, CGI is working with a major telecom provider to jointly launch new services in the UK, which demonstrates how ecosystem collaboration can accelerate innovation.
The voice of our clients' research shows transformation is advancing, but unevenly. While some organizations remain held back by technical debt, regulatory demands, and talent shortages, the digital leaders are acting decisively to unlock new growth and efficiency. So, what really sets digital leaders apart? They scale AI use cases clearly tied to business outcomes. They modernize to support service bundling, compliance, and platform growth. And they invest in digital skills that sustain long-term performance. In today's disrupted market, organizations that succeed are advancing transformation by aligning strategic vision, execution, and partnerships at pace and scale.